Are you new to Forex trading and wondering what kind of trader you should be? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 main types of Forex traders so you can discover the perfect style for your personality and lifestyle. Let's get into it. First up, the scalper. Scalpers thrive on fast-paced action. They enter and exit trades within minutes, sometimes even seconds, aiming to profit from small price movements. It's quick, intense, and demands total focus. If you enjoy high energy and fast results, this style might be right for you. But remember, it takes discipline and razor-sharp execution. Next, the intraday trader, also known as a day trader. They open and close all trades within the same day, avoiding overnight market risks. If you want steady action during market hours without holding positions overnight, this could be a great fit. It balances pace and control. Now meet the swing trader. Swing traders hold positions for several days or even weeks, aiming to catch market trends and larger price moves. This style suits those who enjoy strategy and market analysis, without needing to monitor trades constantly throughout the day. Then we have the position trader. These traders think long-term. They hold trades for months or even years, based on economic trends, interest rates, and big-picture fundamentals. If you're patient, research-driven, and not interested in daily price action, this approach might be for you. Not sure which one fits? That's okay. Many traders combine styles to suit their goals, lifestyle, and mindset. What matters most is finding a strategy that feels natural and sustainable for you. So, which type of trader are you? Comment below and share your style. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, Top 5 Mistakes New Forex Traders Make, and how to avoid them. Your trading journey is just getting started.